Article 61 Procedure for impeachment of the President. Article 62 Time of holding election to fill vacancy in the office of President and the term of office person elected to fill casual vacancy. Article 63 The Vice President of India. Article 64 The Vice President to be ex officio chairman of the Council of States. Article 65 The Vice President to act as President or to discharge his functions during casual vacancies in the office or during the absence of President. Article 66 Election of Vice President. Article 67 Term of office of Vice President. Article 68 The time of holding election to fill vacancy in the office of Vice President and the term of office of persons elected to fill casual vacancy. Article 69 Oath or affirmation by the Vice President. Article 70 Discharge of President's functions in other contingencies. Article 71 Matters relating to or connected with the election of a President or Vice President. Article 72 Power of President to grant pardons, etc., and to suspend, remit, or commute sentence in certain cases. Article 73 Extent of executive powers of the Union. Council of Ministers. Article 74 Council of Ministers to aid and advise President. Article 75 Other provisions as to ministers. The Attorney General for India. Article 72 Attorney General for India. Article 77 Conduct of business of the Government of India. Article 78 Duties of Prime Minister as respect the furnishing of information to the President, etc. Chapter 2 Parliament General. Article 79 Constitution of Parliament. Article 80 Composition of the Council of States. Article 81 Composition of the House of the People. Article 82 Readjustment after each census. Article 83 Duration of Houses of Parliament. Article 84 Qualification for membership of Parliament. Article 85 Seasons of Parliament, Prorogation and Dissolution. Article 86 Right of President to address and send messages to Houses. Article 87 Special address by the President. Article 88 Rights of Ministers and Attorney General as respect Houses. Officers of Parliament. Article 89 The Chairman and Duty Chairman of the uh, Article 89 The Chairman and Deputy Chairman of the Council of States. Article 90 Vacation and resignation of and removal from the office of Deputy Chairman. Article 91 Power of the Deputy Chairman or other person to perform the duties of the office of or to act as Chairman. Article 92 The Chairman or the Deputy Chairman not to preside while a resolution for this removal from office is under consideration. Article 93 The Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the House of the People. Article 94 Vacation and resignation of and removal from the offices of Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Article 95 Power of the Deputy Speaker or other person to perform the duties of the office of or to act as Speaker. Article 96 The Speaker or the Deputy Speaker not to preside while a resolution for his removal from office is under consideration. Article 97 Salaries and allowances of the Chairman and Deputy Chairman and the Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Article 98 Secretariat of Parliament. Article 99 Oath or affirmation by members. Article 100 Voting in Houses. Power of Houses to act notwithstanding vacancies and quorum. Article 101 Vacation of seats. Article 102 Disqualification for membership. Article 103 Decision on questions as to disqualification of members. Article 104 Penalty for sitting and voting before making oath or affirmation under Article 99 or when not qualified or when disqualified. Powers, privileges and immunities of Parliament and its members. Article 105 Powers, privileges, etc. of the Houses of Parliament and of the members and committees thereof. Article 106 Salaries and allowances of members. Legislative procedure. Article 107 Provision as to introduction and passing of bills. Article 108 Joint sitting of both houses in certain cases. Article 109 Special procedure in respect of money bill. Article 110 Definition of money bills. Article 111 Assent to Bills. Procedure in Financial Matters. Article 112 Annual Financial Statements. Article 113 Procedure in Parliament with respect to estimates. Article 114 Appropriation Bills. Article 115 Supplementary, Additional or Excess Grants. Article 116 Votes on Account, Votes of Credit and Exceptional Grants. Article 117 Special Provisions as to Financial Bills. Article 118 Rules of Procedure. Article 119 Regulation by Law of Procedure in Parliament in relation to financial business. Article 120 Language to be used in Parliament. Article 121 Restriction on discussion in Parliament. Article 122 Courts not to inquire into proceeding of Parliament. Chapter 3 Legislative powers of the President. Article 123 Power of President to promulgate ordinance during recess of Parliament. Chapter 4 The Union Judiciary. Article 124 Establishment and Constitution of Supreme Court. Article 124A National Judicial Appointment Commission. Article 124B Functions of Commission. Article 124C Power of Parliament to make law. Article 125 Salaries etc. of judges. Article 126 Appointment of Acting Chief Justice. Article 127 Appointment of ad hoc judges. Article 128 Attendance of retired judges at sittings of the Supreme Court. Article 129 Supreme Court to be a court of record. Article 130 Seat of Supreme Court. Article 131 Original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Article 131A omitted. Article 32 Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from high courts in certain cases. Article 133 Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from high courts in regard to civil matters. Article 134 Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in regard to criminal matters. Article 134A Certificate for appeal to the Supreme Court. Article 135 Jurisdiction and powers of the Federal Court under existing law to be accessible by the Supreme Court. Sorry for the word. Accessible by the Supreme Court. Article 136 Special leave to appeal by the Supreme Court. Article 137 Review of judgments or orders by the Supreme Court. Article 138 Enlargement of the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Article 139 Conferment on the Supreme Court of powers to issue certain writs. Article 139A Transfer of certain cases. Article 140 Ancillary powers of Supreme Court. Article 141 Law declared by Supreme Court to be binding on all courts. Article 142 Enforcement of decrees and orders of Supreme Court and orders to discovery etc. Article 143 Power of President to consult Supreme Court. Article 144 Civil and judicial authorities to act in aid of the Supreme Court. Article 144A omitted. Article 145 Rules of Court etc. Article 146 Officers and Servants and the Expenses of the Supreme Court. Article 147 Interpretation. Chapter 5 Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article 148 Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article 149 Duties and powers of the Comptroller and Auditor General. Article 150 Form of accounts of the Union and of the states. Article 151 Audit reports.